guys, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey. So the video that I have for you right now, I've already done. But I told y'all half of them I didn't like. I'm not lying to y'all, I didn't like them. So because I didn't like it, I'm about to do it over. So this is right here she go. Is Outre Converti cap Beach Babe. I will put her on this side because it looked like there's a lot of room on that side. I don't know why it always look like there's a lot of room on that side. Let me, okay, whatever. A lot of room on the other side. So I'm going to be doing Beach Babe today. This is her. Super cute, super cute. I have her in a number 2. She has a medium-sized comb in the front. She has small combs on either side. She do not have adjustable straps, but she have the small comb in the back, and of course a drawstring. Now, y'all know I got my little 2 twist up here, so I'm going to work that around my 2 twists because I like my twist today. And so I'm going to try to hit 3 styles for y'all. Y'all know I try to do 3 styles for y'all. So I'll be right back with the first style. Okay, you guys, it's my first style. I have her on and I am in love. Look at this. Look how cute she is. She's probably a 12 inches of cute curly goodness. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. That is pretty. That is really pretty. And I'll put my little emoji headband on here, my little smiley faces. Look how cute that is. That's freaking cute. I really like this. I really like this. I really like this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the second style. Let's see what I come up with. Let's see what happens, okay? Okay, you guys, look at the second style. This is the half up, half down. Y'all know this is my favorite style. And I did this with no hair out. And look how pretty she is. Look at her. Look how pretty she is. Now, this is, I wasn't expecting to like this one that much because I told you I've done this video before, and when I done it that time I didn't really like it, maybe because I didn't really like my makeup. I'm not sure. But now that I feel pretty like this with my favorite color purple on, and this is so freaking cute. Look how pretty it is. I don't know why I like it so much, but it's so freaking cute. This might be my new work wig. I don't know, these Outre Converti caps, every time I get one, I just go to work in it. I don't know why, it's just, it's like, I got a new curly wig, I'm going to work. So, this is so cute. Look how cute that is. That is stinking cute. Look at that. I love this. I love it. That is the second style. Let me see what else I can come up with the third one. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let me see. Guys, I am back with the third and final style, which is a ponytail, and I am so in love with this wig. Okay, let me tell you, I keep doing that, y'all. Tuck that drawstring in. We gotta tuck that drawstring in. That ain't cute. So that's the back of it. Hope you guys can see it. But she look really cute. Like super duper cute. I am loving her. Like, that was just a simple ponytail, like, and it's a messy ponytail bun thing with your headband on. Look how cute that is. Look how cute this is. Like, freaking stinking cute. And I love it. I like this maybe more because I like my makeup today. But last time I did it, I did not like it. But these are all 3 styles, with it being down with the headband on, half up, half down with the headband on, and of course the ponytail. Y'all, I don't know if y'all watch. Remember y'all used to watch Living Single? I know y'all used to watch Living Single. Remember Ray G? I went to the club and all them girls had the same dress. And she was in the back, and she was in the bathroom talking about, yeah. And I'm putting on my ponytail. My ponytail. That's how I feel right now. I don't know. Maybe I'm too old for y'all. Maybe I'm too old for y'all. But y'all remember Living Single. Come on now. But anywho, this is Beach Babe. This is Beach Babe, and I have her on a number 2. If you like this wig, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like the wig and you got something to tell me about it, go ahead and tell me about it in the comment section. If you don't like it, tell me in the comment section. Yeah, go ahead and share all my videos with your wig loving friends, and of course subscribe to me. I really appreciate it if you join my wig loving family, and I thank you oh so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.